Ah, 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 I got my Ivy Park, you know it. Can't believe it's here, you know it. I ain't complaining cause it's here, you know it. Talk what you want cause it's here, you know it. It's here already, I got it already. It came already, let's open it already. It's here already, I got it already. It came already, let's open it already. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, staying safe in this situation we're in. I'm out of breath from doing all that dancing. We've got an exciting video for you guys today because you will know if you press that subscribe button. Press it. Like the video. Comment something. Do it. You know you want it. Oh, my address. Let me try to peel that off. Oh, Beyonce thought of everything. Just peeled off like that. Try that again. Today we have a special video because my Ivy Park arrived already. It's here already. I got it already. It came already. It's arrived already. I'm like, why did it decide to come this quick? I don't know. It's the power that is Beyonce. I didn't actually get that much stuff because I haven't got Beyonce's bank account. But yeah, I bought as much as my overdraft would let me. No, I'm joking. I bought as much as I could of all the things that I wanted. I mean, there's a few other things that I wanted, but I had to make sacrifices. I'm gonna just say it straight up right now and here. And Beehive, don't come for me. Because guess what? If you Google me, no, I'm joking, don't Google me. If you go on Beyonce.com and scroll down far enough, whose face will you see? This one. If you go into Beyonce's hand history and see whose hand Beyonce's hand has held, it's this hand right here, okay? If you go back to 2013 and see who Beyonce blew a kiss at, it's this face right here. So don't come for me, Beehive, because I am one of you, okay? I just have to say this. I just don't like the trainers, Beyonce. I'm so sorry. I really don't. I've tried. I really have tried. I almost bought the green and yellow ones. Also, actually, about the shoes, I'm gonna say that's not Beyonce. I'm gonna say that's actually Adidas. So, I don't know what to say, Adidas, but if you wanna hire someone else that designs shoes to design the next Ivy Park footwear for you, I don't know, someone could possibly be the person that you ask to design those shoes. Let's open the box. You guys will see it before me. Oh! Oh my gosh, I thought it'd be a little bit more. Something like that. Okay, so I got 4 items. And as you can see, I stuck to one colour because I love me a co-ord, as you can tell. Some may say I'm the king of co-ords. I don't know who said that. I'll take the crown though. So yeah, let's try them on. So yeah, I thought I'd just show you guys drip 1 that I got last year. This is everything I got. Got the long sleeve tee, the oversized short sleeve hoodie. I also got the pants with the buttons. That's probably an Ashini, let me put that away. And the pockets everywhere. Can't lie, I've not really worn the pants that much, but I wear this top half quite often. I also don't want to wear it too much because I want them to bed. Oh, he has one Ivy Park thing, he thinks that, oh, he's Beyonce. Beyonce! But I've just realised it has zip. Oh my gosh. Beyonce, you thought everything, girl. Now, let's try on drip 2. So this is the first thing I got. Just the plain tee. Ooh. It just says Ivy Park there. with the stripes. I really like this fit. And this is a large. I just checked, it says UK large and US large. Normally US sizes are bigger than UK sizes, I think. But yeah, I'm a fan. What do you think? I think it looks good. I love the colour. If you don't know, green is one of my favourite colours. Also orange. I think it was £37. £37, £38. Let's just say 40 quid. It's £40, I think. Like I said, I ain't got Beyonce's bank account. But yeah, I've got nothing else to say about it. It's just a plain tee really, but I like it. You can kind of see that this is a little long, this tee. So, if dresses is what you wants to wear, yeah, maybe y'all could wear it as a dress. I don't know. So these are the pants. These are the ones that I think I'm in love with. Oh, they feel a little bit big. I'm fat, and this is 5'7". No, I'm not. I'm 5'10", and I feel like I need to lift them up a bit. Wait a minute. Oh! I was about to say there's no pockets, but Beyonce, she won't do that to us. The pockets are zipped. Just what we love to see. I obviously got all matching, and I've always wanted a pair of these. Oh, it stops there. Oh, snap. Okay, okay, we can rock that. Oh, are these just for show? Oh, oh. Okay, so the top one's just for show. The bottom one's unzipped, but oh, I can already feel the air come up my legs. I love it though. Yes, Beyonce! Beyonce literally said, "Try to roll up the partition, please. I don't need to see Beyonce on her knees. Took 45 minutes to get out dressed up, and we even go make it to this club." Because we're in a pandemic, so you will be going to the club. Stay safe. See, this is why I was going to buy the green and yellow trainers, because I was like, will it work? I don't know. I don't know. I think I like them. Okay, what's next? The next thing I bought was this jacket, because you know, like I keep saying, co-ords. Now let me tell you, I'm already confused. This is a contraption. So I was scared it's gonna be a bit too big, but I do like things to be oversized, especially with this lockdown body. But yeah, I like it. Zipped on the pockets again. Ooh, these pockets feel a bit far back, like it could break my back. But I guess when it's zipped up, it won't feel like that. Does feel a bit big as in long. Let me lift up there. But see, I keep going to put my hands on these, but these are also buttons, because the whole thing just comes up. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a damn minute. What? Where are we going with this? I probably should have Googled it. Do I wear it so I can wear it when I'm hot? I can wear it. Is this editorial? Can I get down now, like? I'm one of those models. Is it all unbuttoned? What's going on? Oh my gosh. This is funny because I'm not able to put this back together. Oh wait, I took off the sleeve. Okay. Beyonce. So, what's the purpose of this? Okay. So if I want just a tunic, I can do that, which I don't. And I'm not gonna have to fight to put these back on, but like, I can just, you know, have it one sleeve. Do you know what? Beyonce is like, you do what you want. I'll make clothes that can fall to pieces in a good way and go back together however you want it. Which makes me think that I could probably attach a sleeve to my leg. Fashion. Oh, I forgot to say, the pants, I think, were like $85. And by dollars I mean pounds, but I think it's the same. And I think this jacket was like $99. Okay. So there's a lot of buttons, but I'm not mad at it. I know I've not buttoned the back. But do you know why I've not buttoned the back? Fashion. But yeah, I like it. I like that it's like free. Just chill, like you can do what you want, kind of thing. I don't know. Again, the pockets. Wait a minute, the pockets go backwards. Does that mean I've put the wrong sleeve? I'll put it on backwards. This side's supposed to be on this side because the pockets are now backwards. It's kind of like a straight jacket. But yeah, you guys get the point. Let me open the last thing. So this is the one that I really, really wanted. And was really, really expensive. I think it was like 150 to maybe 180 pounds. I'm not really sure. The wind jacket. Yo, it's longer than I thought. See, I'm all here for a long jacket. Ooh, it's like a tent. These pop studs are defo a favourite of Beyonce. Do you know what? Pop studs are good because you know what it is? Easy access. Okay. Okay, so I don't know what it looks like, but I just know I love this. I just love the feel of it. I feel really chilled in it. There's something in the pocket. What is this? Oh, it comes with a belt. But that's inside the pocket. Do you think it packs away into the pocket and then it can... Right, I'm going to check that out in a sec. So, pockets zipped again. You can see them on the inside, lined with ivy pack. Fan of big pockets, really big. Ivy pack down the side, stripes down the side, and then hood. There we go. Oh my gosh. Beyonce said coronavirus who? Let me put a mask in the jacket. Beyonce said coronavirus who? Let me put a mask in the jacket. Oh, and I love that it all lines up. Oh my gosh, it's like when you go to the shop now, even though England's on lockdown, you can, and they're like, excuse me sir, you forgot your mask. I'm like, no I didn't. I love it because sometimes you be outside on the streets and the wind be blowing. I'm gonna just do this up and be like, what wind? Oh my gosh, I just trapped it in my beard. And then it just zips down. Zips off. Okay. Overall, I'm a fan. I think I prefer this to drip one. I don't know this. I think it's all in this jacket. This is the main thing. I mean, it's most expensive, but this is the main thing I really wanted. And I got it. Oh my god, there's another pocket there. I think this might be the thing I wear the most. The only thing is I cycle everywhere now, and my bike has lights in the back, so this is gonna probably cover the lights. I'm gonna have to get my bike and like... Right, I'm gonna rebutton everything. Beyonce literally said, winter's coming, we're in a pandemic. Let me give you a nice jacket with a built-in mask. That's what she said. And do you know what? That's what she did. I know it's not technically a mask. So don't come for me in the comments if that's what you were thinking of doing. See, I'm such a fan of a longer... I mean, I probably never wear it buttoned up. But if I needed to... I hope you can see this far. But yeah, if I needed to, like, look at that. I feel like I'm on, like, what is it? The Superpower video. So I don't really wear things buttoned up, but I feel protected from the elements. Beyonce said, Ang, Avatar, water, airbending. Who? Look at this, Halloween. I wanted to dress up, but I forgot my costume. I'm a tree. Like, Beyonce really did that. She was like, I can think of everything and I'm gonna do it. And all these non-Ivy Park having haters are gonna have to hate. Hate on me. You can't, cause I got IV, baby. In my mind, it's like for this. Oh my gosh, I think it, ooh! I think it is. Is that what it's for? Well, Beyonce, that's what I'm gonna use it for. Oh, but it is, look! Because it's got branding on it, on the inside. It says Ivy Park. Well, how'd you zip it up there, lovey? It's a flip zip. Oh, did you see that? She just flipped the zip. So the zip flips round, so you can then zip it up. And look at that. I've got like a pack-away jacket. Do you know what? I've always wanted a pack-away jacket as well. And Beyonce said, let me do one better. Let me give you a pack-away coat. Not a jacket, a coat. Long line, touch the flow. I'm gonna have to go buy a pair of shoes. I think I'm gonna have to. Just, Beyonce. But yeah, these are my impressions. I do think it's a lot. Me just being straight up, it's a lot, as in these pop studs, it's a lot. But I feel like if you choose the look before you leave the house, do you know what I mean? And pop whichever stud you want to pop, and then leave the house. You've got your backup jacket if it starts to rain. Also, I'm sure you probably fit, where's my phone? Can my phone fit in this? And I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, that big thing. And look at that. Can hold your phone. Guys, I hope we're all buying Ivy Park or bought Ivy Park. If you did, let me know what you got. Let me know what you love. I actually love this, even, so I adore this jacket, this coat. But even without that, I really like this. Like I said, I love my cords. And this is just a bit of me. And green is one of my favourite colours. I'm gonna keep wanting to put my hand in there though. In fact, let me fix it so it's the right sleeve on the right side. Right, now that I've got these sleeves back on the right side, that actually feels better, like I can feel it now. I wish I had more money to buy the others, because there's, in the honey drip, I think that's what it was called. Or honeydew, the honey colour, there was like these wide leg pants with like a wide, oversized hoodie, and I was like, I want that. But when I was on the website, it wasn't there. Slash, I probably didn't see it because I was rushing. I was like, bye, 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 bye. So what I'm going to try to do now is, if you've not seen, Beyonce's on Vogue UK's cover for December because she's the queen. Duh, righty, like hello. So I'm going to actually try recreate those photo shoots. If it works out, it'll either be the thumbnail for this video, or I will put those pictures on my Instagram for one, so go follow me there at, where's Instagram, here maybe? Go follow me on Instagram at Dixon-Blair, or, you know, after you subscribed, liked, commented, let me know. Yeah, the pictures will be on screen. I've got nothing else to say apart from buy it if you can still buy it. I'm going to put the links in the description down below, as well as my Instagram. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. I have no clue what that'll be. Well, actually, I'm waiting on another delivery from a little Miss Riri. So if that comes anytime soon, that will probably be my next video. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.